Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, you're going to learn about logarithm. So what is logarithm? Logarithm is the inverse of exponential function. A logarithm is an exponent. Napakadali lang. Ang ibig sabihin, ang logarithm is the same as exponent. So pag hinahanap natin ang logarithm ng number, ibig sabihin, hinahanap lang natin yung exponent. Okay, so ngayon, mayroon tayong example dito. This is read as log base 2 of 8 is equal to x. Ibig sabihin, ano daw ang magiging exponent? Ang base natin ay 2. Ano daw ang magiging exponent ng 2 natin na kung saan ang sagot natin ay magiging 8? And what is the value of x? X is equal to 3. Bakit? Because 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Ito ang hinahanap natin. Ano daw magiging exponent ng base natin na 2 para ang sagot ay magiging 8? So now, we can say that log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. So that's the answer. Okay, here we have log base 3 of 9 is equal to x. Now, 3 raised to x is equal to 9. So what is now the value of x here? We know that 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 2. 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. So the exponent is 2 and that is the value of x. So therefore, log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Ganun lang kadali. Now, what about here? Log base 2 of negative 5 is equal to x. Tingnan niya natin, ang base natin ay 2. Ano daw magiging exponent niya na kung saan ang sagot ay magiging negative 5? Meron ba? Meron ba? Kahit fraction dito, kahit negative ang ilalagay natin na exponent, walang sagot na negative. Dito, negative 5. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwede makuha ang logarithm ng negative numbers. Okay? Never take the logarithm of negative numbers dahil wala naman siyang sagot. So, no logarithm of negative numbers. Okay. Here. We have here log base 3 of 1 is equal to x. Okay, so again, 3 is the base. What would be the exponent? Wherein the answer is 1. Now, we know that 3 raised to 0 is 1. Actually, any number. So, any base here. If base is b, raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, x here is equal to 0. Okay? It means that log base 3 of 1 is equal to 0. Ang exponent daw ng base 3 para siya maging equal sa 1 ay 0. Remember, ang logarithm ay simply the exponent. We are just finding the exponent of the base para maging equal siya sa sagot na makikita dito. Okay, now look at this one. Log base 3 of 1/3 is equal to x. Now, 3 raised to x is equal to 1/3. Now, i-recall natin yung exponential yung the laws of exponents natin. Na pag ito ay fraction, ibig sabihin, ang exponent natin dito ay negative. Okay? And that is negative 1. X is equal to negative 1. Because 3 raised to negative 1, pag negative yan, di ba napupunta siya sa denominator, pero nagiging positive siya. Okay? Kasi pag 1, hindi na natin nilalagay. So therefore, that is equal to negative 1. So now, log base 3 of 1/3 is equal to negative 1. Okay, now, what about if I have here log of base 10 or log base 10 of 100,000 is equal to x? Okay, so now what would be the exponent of x? Ano daw exponent ng 10? Sorry. Ano daw maging exponent ng 10 na ang sagot ay magiging 100,000? Bibilangin lang natin kung ilang zero yan. So x is equal to 5. Because 10 raised to 5 is equal to 100,000. So therefore, that is log base 10 of 100,000 is equal to 5. Okay, now what about this one, last one? We have here the base is 1/3. Okay, so here, so we have space, sorry. Okay, so here we have log 1/3 or log base 1/3, sorry, of 1 over 27 is equal to x. Sorry about that. Again, log base 1/3 of 1 over 27 is equal to x. So it means the base is 1/3. What would be the exponent? That the answer is 1 over 27. Now, we know that 3 raised to 3 is equal to 27. Right? Which means that the exponent here is 3. Or x is equal to 3. Because 1, look at this one. 1 over 3, sorry about that. So that is 1 raised to 3. Okay, I'll write it here. So here, the answer here. So this is 1 over 3x is equal to 1 over 27. And we know now again that 3 raised to 3 is equal to 27. So therefore, x is equal to 3. Okay? So that means that we have now the answer here. We have log 1/3 or base 1/3 of 1 over 27 is equal to 3. So that's the final answer. Okay, that's all for this video and thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!